Welcome to my daily English learning.
What are your plans for the weekend?
I'm planning to visit my grandparents and go traveling if the weather is nice.
How long have you been studying English?
I've been studying English for about 3 years.
What kind of music do you enjoy listening to?
I usually listen to pop and jazz, but I'm open to other music as well.
Can you describe your daily routine?
I wake up at 6:30, go for a short run, then get ready for work and leave by 8 a.m.
Have you ever traveled to another country?
Yes, I went to Italy last summer. It was an amazing experience.
What do you usually do when you're feeling stressed?
I try to relax by listening to music or going for a walk to clear my mind.
What are the advantages of learning a second language?
It improves communication, opens up job opportunities, and helps you understand other cultures.
What is something you're proud of?
I'm proud of completing my first marathon last year after months of training.
Do you prefer reading books or watching movies?
I prefer reading books because they let me imagine the story in my own way.
What do you think makes a good friend?
A good friend is someone honest, supportive, and a good listener.
If you could change one thing about your life, what would it be?
I would probably try to manage my time better so I could be more productive.
What goals do you have for the future?
I want to improve my English fluency and eventually work in an international company.